I feel like the mistake that Kartel and his team is making is that because Kartel has made it up the ladder and Kartel is booking for rapper money, right? I think that the best thing for Kartel's team to do is sit and take a breather and start to produce Kartel's show, right? So people can now feel like it's a show.
An experience.
An experience, right? Because let's be honest, right? Everybody that's running off their mouth and talking about, say, you know, Kartel done or Kartel can't do it again and Kartel this and Kartel that. When Kartel, if or when Kartel move from that spot, then nobody else now gonna say no. There's nobody else that's going to that spot. Kartel is an anomaly, bro. Kartel is an anomaly. Like let's get it out there. Like let's get it off your chest, right? So when you say, you know, Kartel, boy, Kartel not gonna be able to do this next year. No. Yo, Kartel can't perform and Kartel can't do this. Mind you, just know set, right? The best thing for Dancehall is for Kartel to stay a rich part him there, keep the door open for the rest of the dancehall man them, and they work on making Kartel's show an experience as opposed to what they're presenting now.
Yeah,
you follow what I'm saying, Drew? But
up.
moving Kartel from his spot, Kartel's fall from grace is not in the best interest of dancehall right now. Because he's the one who has helped to spark this whole thing that's happening right now. Like, let's be honest. So those of you who are talking about, yeah, man, Kartel, you know, sister Kartel, you know, there's this thing that's happening in Germany now where they're saying that he didn't perform well and Ray. And I see all of these things that people are saying on social media and them beating him on. Who? $1 million on Listen, I'm not saying that they're wrong. I'm not saying that they're right. I am saying this. Kartel's fall from grace is not a good thing for dancehall right now, Drew. Kartel a hold the door open for the whole away, right? His team or the industry, our industry needs to pressure him and say, brother, produce your show.
Shut it down for a minute.
Yes, get some dancers, get some type of distraction going on that damn stage. Get some graphics. You know, you guys are making enough money to invest in the show and make it an experience, because if they don't make it an experience, right, eventually it's going to slow down. Kartel slows down, right, it is going to make it hard for everybody that's trying to get into those arena spaces.
Yeah.